Exercise 4-1. Hi, Joe Cerrone. We're going to work on this mechanical part right here from Solidworks, basic Solidworks. It's basically a sketching exercise. Dimensions are in inches, and basically we'll draw these two concentric circles and create lines tangent to those and trim it and then extrude it. So let's get started. Alright, I'm going to start a new drawing, and it's going to be a part. Okay. And the units on this drawing are in inches. So we're going to set it for inches, or we'll verify. So we'll go over to System Options, Document Properties, Units, Inches, 2 decimal places. Looks good. Get rid of the fade and start a sketch. We'll go to the Sketch tab and we can say Start a Sketch. We'll create this sketch on the front plane. We'll start by putting in a circle and a construction line. It's kind of pretty far out there. It's about 6 inches, and so I kind of try to rough that in. You want the auto constraint to be active. That's that little yellow flag at the end, and what it's saying is that that is a horizontal line and that it's coincident with the origin. So I'll just put that out and then I'll hit escape. We'll make this 2.25, and then we'll set the scale for the rest of it. Alright, let's get this to display in radius. We'll draw our other circle. Select line and then glide over the edge of the circle, acquire the tangent, and do the same. Be careful not to go here with the quadrant. Escape. Do it again. Trim. And when we trim, we'll use power trim. And power trim works great. You just hold down the left mouse button and drag that through. Let go, drag it through. Let go, drag it through. Like that. And then you can see that we've got the shaded contours active, so you can see the contour is no leaks in it, that everything is endpoint to endpoint. Okay, we're going to extrude this a depth of 3 inches. We want to check our print. So 3 inches, and we'll have to add 2 more features, and we'll put those in as holes. Features, extrude boss base, and we'll do this mid-plane. Doesn't really matter which one you do. I just like to put things kind of concentric to each other, or symmetric. And then we will put these 2 holes on by clicking on this face and then selecting Start a Sketch. Spacebar, normal view to. You can use the box as well. I like the old-fashioned way of doing it. Back to the sketch, circle, acquire the origin, bring that out, click. Let's go over here. Let's do the other one. I have to wake up the centers. There it is. Smart dimension. This one will be 2 inches. And this one will be 1. Features, extrude cut. Take a look at it by pushing the wheel on the mouse, the middle wheel. It'll allow you to rotate it, kind of orbit it. It says blind, which means it read my depth from the extrusion, but a better way to do this is to be through all. If we change the thickness, that'll do it. That completes this part of exercise 4-1.